So guys, if you're new to my channel, please hit this subscribe button and also press the bell icon and also click on this all so that you'll get more informative videos every day. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel, and today in this video I'm gonna show you how to create your Zoom account, Zoom Cloud Meeting account. So if you want to create the new account for your Zoom application or Zoom account, this video is absolutely for you. And also, without wasting time, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. So let's get started to the video. And first of all, you can get the application from the Google Play Store here. The name is Zoom. You have to type name Zoom, and you can see here this is the application, and then you have to install from here. So let me install the Zoom application. I have already installed it, but let me just update it. So guys, you can see here it's done. So now just click on open, and then I'm gonna show you the full tutorial how to create your Zoom application. Here you will find this interface on the first screen, and then secondly what you have to do here, it's pretty simple. Just you need to click on this sign up option. You can see on the bottom of your screen. So just click on sign up option, and then you can see here for verification please confirm. So you have to give your date of birth here. So let me just type up my date of birth here, and then let me just type up, and then now you can see here they will ask for an email. So let me give up my email here. So guys, after giving up my email, you can see a first name. So let me just give up my first name here. Okay, so after giving my first name, let me give my last name. And then guys, what you have to do, just click on sign up option. Okay, and then you can say we sent an email to verify your account. So what you have to do, just go back to your email. So guys, you can see here you will find this type of interface. So now what you have to do, just click on active account, and then after clicking to active account, it will redirect to you on a page. You can see here this will be the page here. So here you can see here, are you sure? So just click on this continue option, and then I will show you what you have to do here. Just wait for a second. So now guys, what you have to do, just go back once, and then you can see here you will find an option, link option here. So guys, what you have to do, just click on this link. Okay, so after clicking to these links, you will be on the same page again, and then let's wait for a while here. So guys, after coming to this page, what you have to do, you have to click on this 3 dots on the top right of your screen. Just click here, and then you have to click on desktop site. So now here they will be asking for are you signing up on behalf of school? So just click on no, and then click on continue here. So after clicking to continue, you can see a password. So you have to give up your password here. So let me just enter my password here. Okay, so guys, after giving a password, like you have to give the same password in 2 of the column, and then click on continue option. Okay, so guys, after clicking on continue option, you can see here you have to clear one captcha here. So just click on I am not a robot option. Okay, and then just click on the skip the step. So after doing this, you can see your personal meeting ID. So you can see here, go to my account option and also start a meeting. So guys, this is my account here. So guys, let us go back to the application here. Where is the application? Let us go back, and then let us sign in. So here you can see Google. So guys, after going to Google, let me show you. So guys, after doing this, what you have to do, you have to select your month, day, year, and these things will be started. So guys, it's already done. So you have to select your Google, and it's already done. So let me just go to my Zoom application, and then let me just show you what you have to do here. So now here you can see here create account option. After this, just click on create account, and then guys, just wait for a while. It's pretty simple, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. You can see here my Zoom account has been created, and then you can see our new meetings. You can set up meetings here by clicking here. Just click on this personal ID, and you can see here my meeting has been created. So guys, I hope you like the video, and also please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you soon on the next video.